Are you looking for a blender that's both powerful and portable? In this video, we're exploring the best portable blenders of 2025. Whether you're blending smoothies on the go or preparing a quick snack, we've got the top contenders. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. The original Magic Bullet. This blender strikes a great balance between functionality and size. While not the smallest blender available, it's compact enough to fit most kitchen countertops. Its multiple cups and lids add versatility, making it ideal for both home use and on-the-go convenience. During testing, it excelled in blending speed and creating smoothies and shakes quickly. The cups also proved impressively durable, showing no signs of damage or leakage throughout our tests. That said, the Magic Bullet has its limitations. It's less travel-friendly than some competitors due to its slightly larger size. Additionally, while it handles soft ingredients and liquids with ease, harder items may take longer to blend thoroughly. For those prioritizing portability, the Hotch Personal offers a smaller, more affordable alternative. Overall, the Magic Bullet is an excellent budget-friendly choice for home blending needs. Number 2. Cuisinart Evolution X Compact. It blends sleek design with practicality, resembling a bullet blender, but with a few key differences. It features a push-start button and offers cordless blending, allowing the motor base to be left behind when using the flip-top lid for easy transition to a travel cup. This makes it one of the closest options to standard blender performance, with enough power to crush ice and blend tough ingredients like spinach. While perfect for those who want strong blending without the hassle of pre-cutting frozen fruit, the Evolution X is less travel-friendly due to its larger size. It works well for blending at home and taking your cup on the go, but if portability is a priority, consider the Pop Baby's Portable. It's smaller, lightweight, and performs well in any scenario, making it a solid choice for frequent travelers. Number 3. NutriBullet 600 Watts. For those seeking a compact blender that doesn't compromise on performance, the NutriBullet 600 Watts stands out as a top choice. It excels at crushing frozen ingredients and smoothly blending various produce, making it one of the most efficient models we've tested. The large blending cup capacity is perfect for those who enjoy generous servings of their favorite smoothies or shakes. The main downsides are its weight and higher price. While there are more affordable options, most won't offer the same level of blending power. Despite being slightly heavier and larger than other personal blenders, the NutriBullet 600 Watts performance and durability make it well worth the investment for those who prioritize reliable, powerful blending in a compact form. So, which one's the best? After testing, the NutriBullet 600 Watts stands out for its reliability and performance, making it the winner. Choose this one for a smooth, hassle-free blending experience wherever you are.